Credit cards. They can be the greatest thing in the world when managed well, but they can also be the anchor that sinks you down to the sea if you don't manage them well. And when thinking about a family, beginning a family, growing a family, if you weren't any good at managing your credit cards as an individual before you had kids, what makes you think you're going to be better as a dad or a mom? That doesn't have to be a problem. And your kids don't have to suffer from your lack of knowledge or even education in the credit space. At the Financial Literacy for the Incomplete Parent Workshop, we work with you so that credit becomes your asset and not a liability. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.